Members of Joint Action Committee of 4 main associations of vegetable suppliers under the leadership of its chairman Baristar Mawthoh had met the chief executive member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council Pyniaid Sing Syiem on the 28th of August 2023 to seek clarification on the recently approved Market Act of the Council. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, the chairman of the JAC, Baristar Mawthoh, said that the clarification on the Market Act was sought from the CM of the Khadc to ensure that in all circumstances, farmers and suppliers work together for the benefit and welfare of one another.
Kumbolo mta ka chingia i chungino khi kolong ba mo teng kumbolo kumiswa aga polo daw kino khi kilala panirap ya bhai kinong rep matnya jeu kinong rep mai ski kawan ka chingia balang ba ka ching shop jong ka bor mariang ki chur ki duna teng ke chur slap palat kinong khi kembang si ban panya jeu ba ki marem buat tentang koi syaki apa koi syaki pat ki cela kamar ud koi nang tai sama po nak ki cela ki malik nak ki cela ki ot kilo kata ki bun ba ka ching ti nak liang jok ki no khi terdau ni hab ni song sani bhai kane wa ngin yo pa pha syaka konsen